Oh my goodness. Yo, what's going on, y'all? It's your boy Smite, and today we're back here with, in my personal opinion, the best Quincy build in Type Soul right now. And the build is 5 Kendo, 10 Keto, 50 Speed, Yamato, and the most underrated res, Wind. Wind is so underrated. Like, nobody even knows, but this is super close range though, so I recommend the way I like to land it, feint, and then use this. I use that G, free crit, 2-in-1s, black claw, or something like that. Then Ren, you can use Ren, stun them, get pretty much almost any move off in the. It's super strong. And then also we have the Bionic, Cybernetic, combo grab. It's definitely not true, but you can dash forward and land black claw and start up another combo with that. And then M1, do like that. That's pretty. You can do something like that. You can use Piercing Light on the kid. Piercing Light's just there for like just extra moves, because Piercing Light can also combo start if you use it right. And yeah, like this kid's really strong. You can like you grab them, and get ragdoll back. You haven't seen them. Really nice combo potential with this build, and you combo with Wind. It just makes their build super strong. I highly recommend you guys try out Wind itself, or even just try out this build. This build's super strong. Please, for the love of God, try out Wind, bro. I want people to recognize it. It is actually so nice. It's so tough. I'm kind of glazing it, but I really like it. And yeah, anyways, hope you guys do enjoy this video. Please be sure to leave a like and subscribe, and let's get on with those matches. Alright, let me show you the true capability of this build. Okay, Spectre Step. See? Did not mean to use Fast Fang. Waterfall Dance. Oh my goodness. And we are one comboing him. Did he leave? Oh my goodness. Okay. Is this kid awake? Okay. What is he? Yamato. I've been into a lot of Yamatos today. Ever since I switched. Wayne, does he have my Hurricane? Okay, I just ran directly into that. I don't know how I just got out of that move. 2-in Yamatos were predicted races. And then Waterfall. Why did you throw me in the air? Okay. Block clear that. I definitely was trying to block it. I could. Okay. I don't know why I didn't do anything off of that. Put a black claw there. I was not mean to put up my weapon. There we go, grab. Technically already a shot to me. Red region. There we go. Last one? Ooh, that was nice. Ooh, yeah. Alright. I see. I don't care about that. No cap. Okay, I'm gonna just parry this. There we go. Crit. T. M1 for this. There we go. Grab him. Get close. See. Ooh, I almost blocked that. Slice. Drop him pain. Where's he at? 2 let's see. Oh my god. Oh my goodness. Like, I don't know what they want me to do. Okay. Alright, so he's speed. Let's see. There we go. Ah, I missed my grab. There. Okay. Expect to step in though. Oh my god, he sniped me. Oh my goodness, man. Like, it's just so free. Alright, let's get into it. Creation. I fought this kid earlier. Fuck that. What just hit me? Oh, I think it was the swords. There you go. There we go. There we go. Oh my goodness. We're cooking. He's gonna shoot it. I was standing still. I should have kept moving. He's gonna crit. Yep. I'm gonna activate this. Next steps. Okay. What's going on? This is actually a really close fight. There we go. Oh my goodness. I was getting nice with the combos that game.
Welcome back, Blake.
I'm a dope cooker, scope looker. Out the window with it. Yeah. You know what I'm saying?